course, I adore my 4Runner, even with its shortcomings, like these dim halogen headlights, which are of little help to my declining night vision. And so it is time to make the switch to LEDs. Lasfit hooked me up with a full set of 8 bulbs for the front end, 2 each for the low beams, high beams, daytime running lights / turn signals, and the fog lights. Step ladder because I'm shorty. All right, the first thing we need to do is take this dust cover off. Supposedly just rotate it, but we'll see. Yeah. Oh, it turned. There we go. Okay. Okay. Okay, turn it. Yeah, turn. Okay, felt that release. And pull out. That's what we got. Okay. How do you get this bad boy off? Looks like there's a clip here. Yep. And pull this back. Pull that tab back and it comes off. All right, don't go anywhere. All right, here is the halogen dude. Here is the new LED. And all the other YouTubers say that this gasket is too thick to fit in there, this O-ring, and to reuse the original. So I'm gonna do that because I like to make my life easy. I'm just gonna do my best not to touch the LED. Things I should have paid attention to is which way does this go? All right, and that appears to be on there. Looky here. So fancy, it came with gloves. Looks like there are 3 notches in there. There are 3 notches in here. This wiring harness is held in my way. Oh, I finally got in there. I had to climb up in the engine bay. Do you believe it is in there now? And then you gotta plug this thingy back in. Oh yeah, I guess you just, I think it's plugged in there. So I think I'm gonna turn the light on and make sure we got it right. Hey! Alright, just gotta put the dust cover. Maybe we'll wait till I'm done with the high beams. Alright, now I see 2 harnesses here. And I think this one goes to the high beam. That's that light. I told you lately how much I hate electrical clips. Sure, just pinch and release. Tool for the job. If you don't have a pair of these body clip pliers from Harbor Freight, get you some. Because if you got no pinch strength like me, these things. I'm gonna have to climb up in there again. Got no leverage from that side. They always skip over this part in all the other videos. Don't break it, bozo. Oh, that felt like a release. Ha ha ha. Yeah. Body clip pliers for the win. All right, now this is apparently a turn. Yep. Then it should just come straight out. Supposedly. One halogen high beam. Spare rubber O-rings. If the LED bulb is installed loosely or tightly, please use the appropriate spare O-ring from the accessory bag to replace the O-ring on the LED bulb. I don't know, O-ring looks good to me. What do I know? Okay, another one. It's got 2 big tabs, 1 little tab. And it looks like the little tab goes about the 11 o'clock position. Blessed. All right. A little harness goes in here. Clipped. Let's see if we did it right. All right. Let's go ahead and put the dust cap back on. And go to the other side. Okay, now the reason this is the hard side is battery, but little hands. I might have to cheat. Got all the hacks for weaklings. All right. I wonder if I could just sort of break the seal this way. Aha. That's all it took. Just a little boop. All right. On to the next episode. Yep, that's it. Lift the little tab, not a pinch. Disconnected. About a quarter turn. Ta-da! Okay, this time I paid attention, and the O-ring goes this way, like a funnel. The smaller end at the bottom, bigger end at the top. Okay. Well, that one was cake. Gets in there. This will stay. Clearly had to upgrade my lighting. All right. Look.
Look so much better, don't they?
Yeah.
I like them.
Okay, headlights are done. Now for the fun part. You do hear those little fans going in the LED bulbs. There's a definite whir there. I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Everything else is below deck. Next up, these guys. So even though the this is going to be where the switchbacks go, even though it's up here, you have to get it to it from under there. Same with the fog lights. So we're going to have to get access down here. Got our 10 mil, as always. And I think we need to start with this one. Hopefully, this one. All right. Kind of want to get the power ratchet out. I'm lazy. Where did this come from? Guess we'll find out. All right, so this is the current arrangement. I put this wood here and here to hopefully save some scraping on my arm as I reach into that compartment, because up in that cylinder is the fog light, and then I gotta go way up in there to get the daytime running lights / turn signals. So yeah, tight spot. Alright, now we just gotta get this sucker seated back up in here. Easier said than done.
Let me try.
Even if you wanna.
I'm just gonna see where those notches are.
Yeah, there's like one big one and two smaller ones. Is it right?
Nailed it.
You nailed it? Thanks, honey. Look at
Make sure it works.
Yeah.
White. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Sweet.
I'm not going to be able to film this because it is absolutely too tight, but I think that the fog light is in that cylindrical shaped tube with the wire coming out of the bottom. Look in there, our wiring harness. Don't work with your mouth. Open. Okay, now twist and pull this daddy out of here.
Try to zip tie it right to this thing right there.
Something to note regarding the daytime running lights and the fog lights, they are both switchbacks, and as I understand it, that means they have both white and amber LEDs and are capable of using either. When your daytime running lights are on, they're white. When you engage your turn signal, they flash amber. When you first switch on your fog lights, they are white. When you turn them off and turn them on again, they are amber. So if you want amber fogs for the look of it, you're out of luck. If you want them for the functionality, you're all set. Yeah. Nice. Yeah, cleaner than the outside. Total time to install 8 bulbs was about 2.5 hours, and most of that was spent on the passenger side. The driver's side was a total breeze, and I don't know if that's because I had already done it once or if they were just easier to get to. Someone with more experience could probably knock it out in half the time. In the end, I'm pleased with how it turned out. I definitely feel like I can see better, and I can't wait to see how they perform when I'm off-road at night.